Incredible opportunity to own a beachside condo within the Hammocks of Aquarina Beach and Country Club. This condo is being sold fully furnished, golf cart included. Kitchen has a bay window with views of the tropical courtyard. It features 2 sliding doors, one in the living room and another one in the master bedroom, both open to a very large screened-in porch. The porch is equipped with preventative, no-seam screening, to help keep the bugs out. Amenities include golf, tennis, fishing pier, boat ramp, gym, sauna, exercise facilities, beach club and deeded beach access. Come experience the laid-back lifestyle of Melbourne Beach and own this piece of paradise before it's too late.